Stop. Stop.
How does a disagreement over a video game inside a high school classroom turn into a violent attack, a life permanently changed, and a teenager now facing up to 30 years in prison? Moments later, police arrived and started questioning the student.
I want to go home. Let me be expelled. I'm not letting her take my Switch, so I'm going to bring it to class. If she wants to take it, I'm going to beat her up every time.
Brendan, what happened?
Expel me.
Okay, can you put your computer down for a second? Please? Brendan, please? Thank you. Stand up for me. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Turn the other way. Stay right there. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, so that's why they copy self-discussion?
Where's this one, bud?
Hold on. I'm going to take your watch off. You'll get it back. That way it doesn't pinch you. Brendan, your watch is going in your pocket. Okay? Watch is in your pocket.
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are.
For how long?
I do not know. I don't make that determination.
I'm going to double lock them.
Deputy King's locking them, so when you sit down, they don't tighten up, okay? Is that your bag? Is that your bag?
Yes.
Okay, and this is your laptop?
Yes.
All right, we'll put it all together and we'll get it down. I'm going to bring them.
Here.
Go ahead, go with Deputy King. Look at me. You going to be cool with Deputy King and I? Huh?
You. I don't want to go to jail.
Well, Brendan, look at me. Look at me.
I have more important places to
I
be.
understand.
You can stop manhandling me. It's not like I'm gonna
Nobody's manhandling you, Brendan.
We got it.
Med unit's on the way.
Where's our car coming from?
We're gonna. This one.
We're gonna go
Stop.
to the hospital? Are we going to the hospital? Hey!
Stop.
I hope she knows when I come back. She's gonna.
I'm gonna take him down to your office and
Okay. Alright, have a seat. How long am I leaving for? When do I get to see the judge?
When everything gets done here.
Do I get to see them today?
I don't know.
How long does it take?
Well, I have to type up the complaints. We have to send them in. Then you're going to go down to jail. They're going to process you. And depending on what they want to do with you.
Can I be sent home?
No. What's his last name?
I don't know.
What's your last name?
Depa.
How you spell it?
D-E-P-A.
Brandon?
Brendan.
Brendan.
Sarah Novak. Go ahead. What's your location?
I don't want to go. I want to go home.
Well,
Okay, I'll disable the if you want to walk. Sorry, Michael.
Tampa. Could you please change the numerical to number 6?
Yeah, Mark.
For how long will it be? I want to know.
what do you want to know, Brendan?
I don't want to be in there.
Well,
How long am I going to be in there? Can you give me like an estimate?
it all depends, I said.
What do you mean depends?
The judge will make the determination if he's going to release you to your parents or keep you at DOJJ.
What do you mean release me to my parents?
Well, either put you in your parents' custody or keep you in jail.
My parents aren't going to take me back?
Well, I don't know what to tell you then, bud.
Will my parents be...
Basically, she took his Switch away.
Switch.
It's like a Nintendo game system. And he decided that he should beat her up. And threatened to kill her, too.
What's the longest time that they're gonna... What's the longest time they can put me in there?
I have no idea.
For battery.
I don't know. I'm not the judge.
Why aren't you a police officer?
I
You
am
should
a
know
police
these
officer.
things.
I don't make the rules.
What?
Well,
Can,
it's 220,
can you tell me?
Can I tell you what?
What? Like how long I can be in there?
Sounds like that.
Can I go back to my group home?
Not right now, you're not.
Can they make the decision at the judge to make me go back to my group home?
I don't know what they're going to do.
Can my parents say that?
It's going to be totally up to the judge what he's going to do. So basically, he's looking at this, all right, might be a felony. So if it's a felony, they might keep you in the jail.
For how long?
Until your court date, I guess.
And then what do they say at court?
Then you'll go to court, and then they'll decide if, they're going to release you to your parents or not.
But they won't release me to my parents.
Why?
Because my parents have explicitly said that they don't want me back.
Okay, so where are you living at now? In
My
a
group home.
Okay, so then they'll decide if you're going to go back there or not.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. That part is not dealing with us. I make the complaint, I do the charges, I send it up, that's the judge's decision.
I didn't mean I was gonna kill her.
That's exactly what you said.
I know, but when I get angry, I say irrational things, and then the judge is gonna use that.
You're probably right.
Can I tell the judge that I didn't mean what I said?
I'm sure you'll be able to tell the judge whatever you want.
Not long after, he was taken outside and placed into the back of a police vehicle.
I'll get it. To the right. This one.
Just step to the side for me for a sec, okay, Brendan?
Still have your watch in your pocket? Is this your wallet too?
Don't take my
I'm not taking it. Just relax. Okay? I'm putting you in this deputy's car.
We're gonna put all your stuff in an envelope. Hey, hey, hey. Stop, stop. You're gonna get all your stuff. I'm gonna put it in an envelope, all right? Don't make your situation any worse than it is, okay?
I'm dead.
What?
I'm dead.
Well, you're good.
Sit in the car.
Watch your head,
get
okay?
in.
Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. You might want to slide sideways.
Watch your leg.
Watch your knee there.
There you go.
Brendan Depa pleaded no contest to aggravated battery after a violent attack on a teacher's aide at Matanzas High School in Florida. Authorities say the incident began over a dispute involving a Nintendo Switch before escalating into an assault inside the classroom. The victim later testified that the attack permanently changed her life. Depa now faces up to 30 years in prison, though sentencing has been delayed and the final outcome remains uncertain. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world cases.